Hey YouTube, today I'm sharing how I make my authentic Jamaican salt fish fritters. Hi guys, what are you all doing today? Today we're making, as you see from the title, some Jamaican salt fish fritters. So let's do an ingredient breakdown. What I have in my dish here, I have some chopped onion, chopped tomato, some finely minced scotch bonnet pepper, minced garlic, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of Maggi thick and spicy, thyme leaves, and optional some of my green seasoning. You don't have to use this if you don't have it. Alright, and then I have my saltfish here. This will be for 2 persons, guys. So. Alright, and I normally pick them up finely. Alright, so you have saltfish right throughout the fritters when you're having it. Alright, and right here now, I have about a cup and a half of flour that I've sifted to remove any lumps. I'm going to be adding some coconut oil, about a tablespoon, and then what I'm doing now, I'm doing what I normally see my mother used to do, is to add some hot water to the seasonings. What this will do now is to instantly release all the flavors, and so I'm adding warm water to it. Alright, so I'm going to allow this to steep. I'm going to allow this to steep for about 5 minutes and allow the water to cool down, and then I'm going to add another half a cup or so cold water to it. Alright, so I'm now ready to add the cold water, so I'm adding about half a cup more of cold water to this. Alright, that amount. Alright, so to stir. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to start adding the flour. This is about a cup and a half of flour, guys. Seems as if I'm going to need a little more. Alright, I'm just going to mix this around and then come back and show you guys what it looks like. So I've used approximately, I'd also go and get some more flour. So I used approximately 2 cups of flour to the approximately 2 cups of water that I have in there. So we're looking for a certain consistency, guys. Looking for a certain consistency. See that? That's the consistency we're looking for. Alright. Okay, I'm now ready to add the saltfish, so I'm just going to pour it down in there. Then I'm going to mix it in. I'm going to give it a quick taste. Yeah man, it needs nothing more. Nothing more. I'll put the ingredients down in the description box for you guys. Alright, so I'm going to get ready to start frying now. So let's move this aside. So I have the oil there that's heating up. I have it on medium flame, so I'm now ready to start dropping the fritters. This now with every bite you get some tomato. You get saltfish, everything. Alright, so ready to turn them. Alright, and so just looking that there, guys. down the edges because they tend to curl up. Push down the edges there, see it's curling up, guys. Let it fry evenly. So as I was saying, guys, this is the exact way my mother made it, except for she used to use a little of the warm water from the when she boiled the saltfish in it. But you know, back in the day, saltfish and nowadays saltfish are two different things. So I don't bother to use that because the saltfish you get nowadays is so raw, and I hate rawness. I'm now ready to remove it. And this is what it's looking like. Here you have it, my friends. Authentic Jamaican Salt Fish Fritters. I was about to say fritters. But anyways, I do hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in my next video, guys.